Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check oxygen in blood using the XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to those little apps here. Now let's scroll down until we see the SpO2. And now if we want to measure it, then simply click on measure. Now put it on your wrist. I need to keep on holding it. You need to keep still. So after I get my results, you will guys see the screen changing and I'll show it to you. So I hope that it works because it's not attached to any band right now. And as you guys can see, now it's calibrating and we've got a 96%. From 95 to 100 is very good. It's considered normal, so I think that's great. My last result was 95, so it's still okay. So after you check yours, let me know in the comments how many percent do you have. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.